Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm cash stuffing or cash planning for the week. I have $423 that I plan on putting into all of my envelopes, and I'm actually going to first start off in my wallet, and which I already did. I already figured out the amount that's going in my wallet. I'm putting $170 in here, so just the usual amount that goes into my weekly spending in my wallet. So spending will get $30, eating out $30, groceries $80, coffee $20, and buffer $10. So I'm gonna start subtracting over here. That leaves me with $253 to put into all of these other categories. And I'm actually gonna first start off in some savings challenges because I have one I'm about to finish and I wanna make sure that one gets stuffed with the last amount. So right here, this is the last one for this challenge. It's $1,000 savings challenge, and I will be coloring this one in tomorrow. So that's super exciting. So $35 will be going into the cash stash challenge. Okay, and then I have one more that I want to fill. Actually, I'm gonna do a couple of these. So let's do this one because it's like rolling the dice on this one. All right, so I got some, maybe get the dice. I'm just gonna roll twice for this challenge. So 4 and 6. So you just go 4 and 6, and then wherever it meets, that's the amount. So this one's 3. Gotta get a little sticky note. Okay, so $3. And then the last one, 3 and 3, which is 5. All right, so $8 total for this challenge. We'll be going into this one. $8. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the rest of them. So I have 100 envelope. I'm just gonna do 5. I don't have it with me, but I know the 5 slot is open, and then I'll probably just bump up whatever I have left over in my wallet. I'll bump it up to a different number. So it'll be more. I have 5 over here. I'm gonna do 5 for this one. And I want to do one of these. So these are 10s. So I'm going to do 110 on this one. I'm going to do 10 for this challenge. This is a $5 challenge. And I'll figure out the one after. Okay, let me recalculate this actually. 10. Oh. 123 minus 170 minus 35, 10, 8, 20. Okay, I'm left with 180 now to go into the rest of my envelopes. Lots of 5s are going to be going into, I'm gonna get lots of 5s at the bank today, basically, to go into these envelopes. And then I've been like a little bit under the weather recently, so I feel so much better, but now my voice is just not the best right now. So I'm just trying to get through this as quickly as possible. But I feel so much better. It's just now I'm congested, which is great. All right, so auto this week is getting, I'll just put 5 in auto. I actually have to get maintenance done probably. My little light has been turning on, warning me that it's coming up. So either next week or the week after, I'll have to go take it in for service. Electronics will get 5. Emergency. Oh, you know what? I want to put an emergency. I'll put 10. A little bit more. Extra savings will get 15. Furniture, 5. Month ahead, 15. Rainy day, 10. Registration will get 5. Road trip, 5. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, I'll put 5 right now. Maybe I can bump it up, but I doubt it. Travel will get 5. Okay, I'm gonna go to this binder first, actually. All right, so Go Wild, that's coming up right around the corner. So this one's gonna get 15. Disneyland will get 5. Treat Yourself will get 15. Fun, 5. Hobbies, 5. Holiday decor, oh sorry, Christmas. I almost skipped Christmas. 5. Holiday decor, 5. Okay, I think I have enough. Actually, do I have enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I'm not gonna have enough. Okay, so I might put, well, some of these are gonna get less than 5, I guess. That's what's gonna happen. Honestly, Costco is gonna get leftover money from my wallet, so I feel like I shouldn't stuff Costco because it's just gonna get leftover money, so that's fine. So we're gonna put 0 for that one. Beauty will get 5. Clothing, 5. Okay, no to Costco. Family, 5. Gifts, gifts will get goodness, what do I want to do? Gifts will get 5, 10, 15, 20. I think gifts I'm gonna do, we'll do 3 in gifts. Home will get 5. Household will get 3. Pantry will get 3. Target will get 5. And then I have $1 left over. Then I'll go to the dollar challenge. Okay, that should be good. At least every envelope got something, so that's good. I have more envelopes than I normally do because now I had to stuff. Usually I'm not stuffing registration. Well, I haven't been stuffing registration in a while. So that one's back in the rotation. And pantry, I just spent from pantry and I bought some like big thing of olive oil. So now I'm restocking that envelope. So yeah, I had 2 extra envelopes that I normally don't stuff in this rotation. So, but everything worked out. Everything's getting something, so that's all that matters. And I'm happy with those amounts. So I'm just gonna double check my numbers and make sure I do have 423 over here, and then I can move on to this part. Okay, so everything looks good. So I can move on to the tallies. Actually, first before I do this, before I mess myself up, because I have a 0 one here, I'm just gonna cross this one out. So I don't actually accidentally put a line in here, because I've done that before. So auto is getting $5. Electronics, 5, 10, 15, 5, 15, a 10. Okay, I have a bunch of 5s here, up to here. And then 5. This one's getting 3. 1, 2, 3, 5. Another 3. Another 3. 5, 15. 5, 15. Okay, a bunch of 5s here. 35, 20. Also that took a big chunk of what I had. So, but I wanted to focus on getting that cash dash finished, so that way I'm done with that challenge, because I said I was going to do it this week. So that's good. A 5, 5, roll the dice is 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have a 10, another 10, but I want to get 2 5s for that one, and then 1. Okay, so that should be it. So 50, 3, 4, 10s I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That was 10s. 5s I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 5s, lots of 5s. 1s, hopefully they have all those 5s. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, hopefully I did the math on this correctly. So 50 times 1 is 50. 20 times 4 is 80. And then 10 times 13 is 130. 29 is 145. I don't want to do the math. 145. 18. All right, so let me total this up. Oh my goodness, I already know I messed up. 50 plus 80, 130, 145, 18, 423. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna write all that info down on this sticky note. So I have 50 times 1 is $50. 20 times 4 is 80. 10 times 13 is 130. 5 times 29 is 145. And 1 times 18 is $18. And that is $423. All right, so that's what I'm gonna get from the bank today. And I'm just gonna put this in my wallet and I'll be good to go. All right, so that is it for my cash planning for this week. Definitely check out my cash stuffing, which will be up on Sunday morning, where you can see how this goes into my envelopes. Also, how I use my leftover money in my wallet to add more into savings. So hopefully you watch that video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see you in the next one.